Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we discuss wealth creation strategies. In this video, we'll be discussing how to profitably invest in real estate. Real estate has been a popular investment choice for centuries, and for good reason. It is a tangible asset that provides both long-term appreciation and cash flow. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the different ways to invest in real estate and the benefits of each. Before we dive into the various investment options, we want to remind you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Also, please leave your comments below about what you liked about the video and what other wealth creation topics you'd like us to cover in the future. The first and most straightforward way to invest in real estate is by owning your own home. It's an excellent long-term investment because it provides you with a place to live while also appreciating over time. In addition, owning a home allows you to build equity, which you can then use to leverage other real estate investments. Investing in your home provides equity growth and you can deduct the mortgage interest from your income taxes. The second way to invest in real estate is by purchasing a rental property. This is where you purchase a property and rent it out to tenants, generating monthly cash flow. Rental properties also provide appreciation over time, which can increase your net worth. However, keep in mind that owning a rental property can also come with its fair share of headaches, such as managing tenants and maintenance expenses. Your equity growth and tax advantages can be really significant with rental properties. The third option for investing in real estate is by investing in real estate investment trusts. REITs are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate. They are a great option for passive real estate investing as they offer diversification, liquidity, and professional management. Some popular REITs include Sun Communities, SUI, Prologis, PLD, Public Storage, PSA, American Tower, AMT, Alexandria Real Estate Equities, ARE, or Essex Property Trust, ESS. The fourth option for investing in real estate is by using Yieldstreet. Yieldstreet is a digital platform that allows investors to invest in a variety of alternative asset classes, including real estate. Through Yieldstreet, investors can access private real estate deals with lower minimum investments and potentially higher returns. The fifth way to invest in real estate is by investing in Airbnb rental arbitrage. This is where you lease a property, furnish it, and then list it on Airbnb for more than your monthly lease payment. While there are some risks involved, such as occupancy rates and local regulations, Airbnb rental arbitrage can provide excellent returns if done correctly. If you own a rental property, you may want to consider offering it for short-term rentals like Airbnb or VRBO. The sixth and final option for investing in real estate is by investing in loans secured by real estate, also known as hard money loans. This is where you lend money to real estate investors or developers, and in return, you receive monthly interest payments and a portion of the profits when the property is sold. Hard money loans are typically short-term, high-interest loans, secured by real estate, making them a great option for those looking for higher returns. So, there you have it, 6 different ways to invest in real estate. From owning your own home to investing in hard money loans, there is no shortage of opportunities in the world of real estate investing. Keep in mind that each option comes with its own risks and rewards, so it's essential to do your research before investing. Investing in real estate can be a great part of your wealth-building strategy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and leave your comments below. And as always, click that subscribe button and notification bell to never miss a wealth-building video from us.